Kilmar Abrego Garcia, a Salvadoran national, made national headlines after he was deported from Maryland and sent to a mega prison in El Salvador by the Trump administration. While he'd been granted protection from deportation by a U.S. immigration judge in 2019, new questions surfaced after this bodycam footage emerged. In November 2022, Tennessee state troopers pulled over Abrego Garcia for speeding. Inside the vehicle, 8 passengers, no tickets issued, and no arrests made. At the time, troopers suspected possible human trafficking, but let him go. This is the full bodycam footage, released by the Tennessee Highway Patrol. Watch and decide for yourself what happened during that stop and what it might mean now. If you think this case deserves more attention, hit like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for updates. This story isn't over.
Are they?
The colors
Yeah.
from Texas is good.
How many rows have you got in here? 4?
Where?
4 seats? 4 rows of seats?
Yeah, it's three seats. Yeah, with him. Yeah.
Did y'all put an extra one in?
Huh?
Did y'all put another one in?
No.
Did it come like this?
It's the truck.
I've never seen one with that many seats in it.
What you say? It's my boss.
I said I've never seen one with that many seats
Oh,
in
really?
it. Yeah. That's why I was asking if you'd put an extra one in.
No, it's the same. Like this.
Okay.
You know what you got, right?
Huh?
You know what you got here, right?
No.
He's hauling these people for money, is what he's doing. But sometimes they commingle dope. And
No. But
he,
did you see how squatted back in there?
there's 8 people in there.
Yeah, I know. I didn't know that. They put an extra row of seats in there.
Yeah. So he's getting paid to haul these people, probably to Maryland, I would say, if I had my
He
guess.
said that